Good day, I'm James Antonicasida. In this video, I would like to share my reflection on how I changed through a meaningful lesson. One specific concept that really changed the way I think about virtue ethics in one of my ethics class. Before that, I mostly show ethics is a rules you follow like in the deontology about making decisions based on consequences like in utilitarianism, but virtue ethics introduce the idea that ethics is about you, who you are, not just what you do. It shifted my focus from actions to character. This affected me deeply and made me realize that being a good person is just about choosing the right thing. It's a thought moment. It's about consistently developing traits like honesty, courage, patience, and compassion. That perspective challenged me to look at how I live every day, not just how I react in dilemmas. Remember one moment in my family that really made this concept hit home. There was a disagreement about caring for a relative, and while I wanted to avoid conflict and stay natural, I realized that acting with integrity and compassion meant speaking up and offering to help even if it was uncomfortable. That chose one based on role of the outcomes. It was about becoming the kind of person I wanted to be. Since then, virtue ethics has really influenced my goals and behavior. I try to think more about the kind of habits I am forming and how I treat people in their everyday situation. It's less about being a perfect and more about growing in the right direction.